Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make chicken marsala. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Please be sure to check out the new How to Go Cuisine merch. The link will be found in the description. We're going to first start off by cleaning 4 to 5 pieces of drum/thighs with 1/4 cup of vinegar, then we're going to rinse it under hot water. Then we're going to add 1/4 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure to coat the chicken well with the salt and pepper. To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we're going to add the chicken. We're going to cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Then we're going to remove the chicken from the pot. We're going to add 2 garlic cloves, 1 small onion, we're going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of Marsala cooking wine. We're going to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the liquid is slightly reduced. Next, we're going to reduce the temperature to medium, and then we're going to add 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to return the chicken to the pot, and then we're going to coat it with the sauce. We're going to cover with lid and cook for 15 minutes. And there you have it, chicken marsala. See you guys next time.